In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send any file from iPhone directly to Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first thing that you should do is make sure that your iPhone device and your Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To ensure that, we need to head over to settings, go to VLAN on an iPhone. Here we can see the name of my Wi-Fi connection. And the same thing we can do on our Android phone. If we go to connections, we can see that now both of the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once it is done, we need to head over to any web browser. On an iPhone, I'm going to use Safari. On an Android, I'm going to use Chrome. Once it is done, all we have to do is just open up the website snapdrop.net on any device, on both of the devices, I mean. And then if you've done everything right, it will show you right here on an iPhone the name of your Android smartphone. Here it is, and it will show you right here at an Android smartphone the name of your iPhone. Now, guys, all we have to do to send files between these two devices, let's say I want to send a file from my iPhone directly to Android, all we have to do is just tap right here. And then we can select photo library. It will open up our camera roll. From here we can choose any picture, let it be that one. We can also select a video file or something like that. And then to continue, just hit right here at add, and it will immediately start transferring file. Then once the file has been received, we'll got that kind of message, and now all we have to do is just hit at save to save it directly to the photos gallery. And then we can easily find the file we have just downloaded at our gallery. I'm just gonna head over to gallery, then to albums. Here we can see this download album, and then we can get into it to see all the images and video files we've sent from our iPhone. Basically, guys, in the same way we can send any file from Android to iPhone. To do that, we need to open up the same web page, then tap right here. After that, just tap at camera, and then we can easily take a picture. I'm just gonna take a picture of myself, and then to save it, I'm gonna hit OK. It will immediately start transferring this picture to another phone. Then we can hit save, then download. On an iPhone, it will download it directly to our Files app. If now we head over to Photos, we won't be able to find that image here because it was downloaded to the Files app. To save it to our camera roll, we need to tap right here, then select Downloads. Here we can easily find that image, and now to save it to our Photos gallery, we need to tap on it, hit Share, and then select Save Image.